this happened before I moved to my house. One day when I was gonna move, I walked to Fast Freddy's Pizza. Then when I got to Fast Freddy's Pizza, when I went inside, I saw a man in a black coat, in a black jacket, like I have. It was another man in a black jacket. I couldn't believe that it was another man in a black jacket, because I already saw one in a black jacket, and I saw one man with a knife in his hand. He was wearing a black hoodie, and his hood was up, and he was wearing a black mask. He was wearing a black ski mask. Then the man walked started walking towards me, so I didn't know what to do. So I just ignored him. Then I just walked home. Then I went and called the cops. And then after I called the cops, after a little bit, the cops got there. Then I told the cops that the man was at Fast Freddy's Pizza, and that's where the cops went. And then I saw the man that I saw in the black hoodie and with the knife running. I saw the man running from the cops, but the cops caught the man. Then they arrested him, and I hope that man will never return to Fast Freddy's Pizza, because if he ever does, then I can call